Contemporary 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with large private patio for outdoor living. Bright and airy with hardwood floors and a new Milgard sliding door to be installed. Alos, modern plantation shutters on all the windows throughout. Modern kitchen with granite counters, high-quality display cabinets with soft closing drawers. The large master suite has a walk-in closet and beautiful remodeled bath. Guest bedroom is spacious and has closet organizers. Hall bath is remodeled with granite counters, travertine shower tub. This condo has a beautiful courtyard entry with colorful flowers and plants. Conveniently located to Whole Foods, restaurants, Expo line and Bergamot station. Also, there is one security parking garage with additional storage cabinets. Upgrades include 1. New interior doors throughtout. 2. New Milgard sliding door is on order. 3. Refrigerator, washer, dryer included.